This is our 1964 Oldsmobile Starfire Convertible. So this video will cover a few different things. First off, there will be a very slow-paced walk around to the car, and I will show close-ups of all the cosmetic blemishes, and then there'll be some video clips of the interior, as well as under the hood with the car running. So we purchased the car from a gentleman in the suburbs of Chicago who had owned it since 1994. The car was painted just before he got it. And he actually daily drove the car until the late 2000s throughout the summers. Took very, very good care of it. Had a handful of drivability improvements made to it, like a dual reservoir brake booster, as well as a heavy-duty radiator. Check out the listing on our website for a good write-up of it, but this video will give you a good look at cosmetic condition. So the body, aside from the one ding that's on the hood that you'll see, really is laser straight. Really, really nice. The owner had the chrome pieces, the front and rear bumpers, done as show chrome in the late 2000s, and the car has always been garage kept since, so all the chrome looks really, really, really good. The other trim pieces, like the door handles and stuff, are all good as well. The rocker trim on the passenger side shows a little bit of oxidation, but it's relatively minor. This was originally a red car, Regal Mist, I believe it was called, but it was kind of a darker red, repainted once in the 90s. And on the firewall, we can actually still see some of that original paint. The interior also was red originally, reupholstered locally here in 2006. Looks really, really good. I mean, it shows almost no aging since. You can see here in the rear, taillight lenses all look really good, but that flat panel where the Oldsmobile badge is has a couple little dings in it. The red boot cover that comes with the car is in really nice shape, buttons right up, fits well. White powered top is in excellent shape, and the top cylinders were replaced about 20 years ago. The top was redone along with the interior, so 06. Looks really, really nice. You can see there's very, very, very little bubbling on this car. It's super dry. There's one little spot at the forward corner of the passenger door, like little blisters. It's hard to tell if that's poor prep work or if that's bubbling, but a little bit you can see there. Wheels are in nice shape, no curb rash. They show very well. Tires are older though, nearly 20 years old. No dry rot, no significant wear. But, if you're going to be doing a lot of highway miles, should probably replace them. The glass is in good shape with the exception of a pretty decent sized crack on the passenger side of the windshield. And there it is there. Power windows all roll up really nice and easy. They fit nice and snug to the top, so it does look watertight. Dash top is in great shape. Dash top has no cracks or warping or discoloring. The gauges are all functional, though the analog clock is not. The 3-speed blower fan is functional. The heat is good as well. The car does not have air conditioning. The radio, I believe it does work. The speakers work. I can hear loud static, but the power antenna does not go up, so it won't actually play music. Center console is in nice shape, shines well. You can see there's kind of a hairline crack there over the N for neutral on that clear plastic cover by the gear lever. Aftermarket tack added below the dash, that's functional. Wipers are good. Just over 14,000 miles on the odometer. It's 5-digit. Have to assume it's 114 most likely. Sun visors, they hold their position, they're firm, but that driver one is bursting at the seam. So as I mentioned, the interior reupholstered in 2006 at Ogden Top here locally. Looks really, really, really good. And again, this was a factory red on red car. Carpet's in nice shape throughout. Little bits of kind of, I guess, age-related discoloring at the bottom of the door panels and on the lower backside of the seat backs right there. But seats themselves, really, really nice. Doors open and close, super smooth. Car's a great driver. 394, has tons of power. Shifts right on time, brakes well. No strange noises, no power steering noises. Just a great driver, ready to be daily enjoyed throughout the summer. See just the carpet there. Floor mats come with it as well.